This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and in this video I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, we will need to download the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. That's the very convenient tool allowing us to connect to VPN with ease. So let's get it real quick. So once the app is ready, you gotta obviously open it, then tap at the green continue button. Onwards, skip the ad. And finally, once you made it to the main app interface, you can connect your phone to VPN by hitting the magical caret button, then confirming the connection request, and wait for a few seconds for this cute rabbit to do its magic. So as we can apparently see, something went wrong and connection failed. That's a completely normal thing to occur, especially at the budget and, well, overall bad phones as this one. I mean, it's not objectively bad, it's just on the weak and performance-wise, and, well, it's cheap, obviously, for that reason. But anyway, so in order to succeed in the connecting it to VPN, you gotta just manually change connect to other servers, since automatically it tries to connect you to the server that it sees fit, but sometimes the server is down or malfunctions, whatever. So in order to connect yourself manually, just open this menu, go for the server list, and usually the Turbo VPN app tries to connect you to the first location that is in the list over here. So simply choose the second one, and now it should be able to connect you to VPN with no problems. Well, hopefully. So let's see. Well, apparently the second time it successfully went through. I was intending to say an opposite statement, but, well, it worked in the end, so all good. While connected to VPN, you can change the server if you please, so tap over here. And if you would like to reconnect yourself to some other server, country, or even the city, just choose whatever alternative VPN server you would like to be connected to, and wait for the rabbit to reconnect you. And as you can see, it changed the server with ease. And finally, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, just hit the cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, or tap at the disconnect option. And that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.